Hi, Andrew here from Socket & C. In this video we're going to be looking at the Socket & C TB118 Essential Kit. The Socket & C TB118 Essential Kit comes with the safe isolation kit that's housed in a safe case, the SP200 proving unit for proving 2-pole voltage indicators. The voltage indicator included is the VIP200 2-pole tester. This is good for safe isolation and continuity tests, as well as phase rotation. The non-contact voltage detector is the VVD PRO, and this operates from 50 volts AC. Lockout tagout is covered by our combination locks, the 13 amp plug lock, the MCB lock, and the fuse spur lock. Loop testing is covered by the Socket & C PDL234. This comes with an IEC lead for testing at 13 amp sockets and a fuse test lead set for testing at boiler terminals.